Here I was working on a 2011 to 2013 Hyundai Sonata, I believe. And the customer complaint was that the trunk kept opening on its own when he would put it in reverse. And what was causing it was this wire here that was near this bar, this metal bar on the car. And every time he would put it in reverse, the wire would just hit the ground. And then it would pop up in the trunk. And what happened here was I was working on this car previously, and I was changing a bushing on the steering motor because they always go out. And because this thing had a remote aftermarket remote start, when I pulled the whole steering wheel down, this this wire came undone. And it came undone because it was just wrapped around electrical tape on a wire. I don't know what wire exactly because I don't do anything with these remote starts. As you can see, this is the remote start there. And it was wrapped around just some wire with electrical tape. And that's why it came undone. So if you have any of these remote starts, like this one right here, which I don't know if it even opens up the trunk. I don't think it does. But it might. But if you having the same issue, make sure you check that.